Today we are going to make a tutorial how to make a simple game where you have bullets and you can shoot. So we have a player, it's going to be green and you can move around. So put them in the middle, you have to clip it in the middle to make this work. Then we're going to put when green flag clicked, forever, if, key. We're going to put A, D, and also W and S. We are going to put the change X. This will be -5, and this will just be a simple 5. Then we need change Y. 5 minus 5. Okay? And we can move. Oh yeah, don't forget to put this script there. We'll name this Mr. Player. Well done. We've created a person who can move. Now we're going to create the bullet. Now this bullet is going to be very simple. I'm just going to put this, hold shift, make a perfect circle, drag this out, then do that. It's literally nice and simple. Then we're going to put when green flag clicked, forever, if, key, spaced, then we'll create clone of myself. And also, we are going to hide. And when it starts to clone, we are going to show. This is forever going to point towards. It's forever going to player, just like that. Can't really see it right now, but yeah, it's working. Oops. There we go. So it's working right now. It's very good. It's doing what we want it to do, which is good. So we're going. Oh yeah, one thing I'm going to do is going to put wait until. Wait until not key pressed. Okay, so that's done. We are going to go to the player and we are going to put another if statement. Oh no, not if statement. To point towards player, then with bounce pointer, then forever move 10 steps. So it's like this. Now, all that's ugly. We are going to put when if touching edge, then we're going to just delete this clone. Just simply delete this clone. So now go to the shooter. Shoot, yay! Now this is nice little, but yeah, we need something else. There's nothing to do. So we're going to create an enemy. This will be AI enemy. Guess you could call it. We're just going to make this simple red guy who follows you around, trying to kill you until you die. First of all, green flag kicked. We are going let's say that go right there. So coordinates of that is 1, 9, 3, 1, 5, 1. Okay, I've got those. We are going to go to that, but we are going to repeat 3 times, creating a clone of myself. I'm going to hide, I'm going to show, and I start as a clone. And when I start as a clone, we're going to forever point towards point towards player, and forever move 2.5 steps. Meaning these will follow you. Now, so that's a clone. We are going to do different amounts. So, as you can see, we've got pick random. We're going to go to random location from -200 to 200. Now these are inside the box, so that'll be fine. Now you can see they've done that. Yeah, that's what they're doing. Now they always glitch into each other, which is very hard to see, and I don't want that. And we could change this, but we don't need to at all. So what I'm going to do is, because when I touch you, they do nothing to you, literally nothing. I'm going to create a health. So for the health, we are going to put health. HELTH. Okay. This bright only. This is the player health. So we're going to set player health to 3. 3. When we start. But from touching the AI enemy, then we are going to change health by -1. I'm going to remove this because this will have a waiting block and this will affect all these. So we're going to put search their enemy, then change health by -1, and we are going to put a wait 0.25 seconds, leaving us enough seconds. Okay, that's not enough seconds, is it? 0.5. Hope that's enough. Yeah. Okay, I've got 1 health. Ooh, okay. So we're going to put an if statement right in the movement script, and if health equals 0, 0, or less than 0. So less than 0. Then we are going to broadcast death. And we can add the death screen just right here. It's pretty dark. There we go. And I'm just going to put marker like that. Say about a bit darker. Death. Oops. Death. Literally just death. Or I can put your death, but that doesn't make sense. So I just put death. Now we are going to put 0, 0. Easy enough. This comes up. But this doesn't come up when you're dead. So let's do some coding. I'm going for click, hide, and go to 0, 0 in the middle. Now, forever, if. Now we're just going to take this script, put this into death, then we are going to show. And we are going to make a sound named death. Death. There we go. Okay, so we are going to play sound death until done. Then we are going to set health to 10 because it's done. Okay, so we start the game. Oh no, I'm losing all my health. Ah, I see. If I just take this out. This is not doing the death. So we can just put when I receive death, literally. So that shows up. So there we go. Lose all my health. Dead. And also, we are going to hide this variable. Now we won't play sound because that's for later. So we're going to show variable and green flag clicked. So then you can see our health. They come. You're dying, you're dying, you're dying. You can't use these bullets yet. They will work. Okay, so that's done. So we're going to just put a simple script. Start a clone. If touching bullet, then we're going to just delete this clone. Now that's easy. Just delete the clone. Now the bullet will go through them, which is very realistic. So it'll go through, and if anybody's behind them, they're dead. Okay. So yeah, that's the speed. We could do some, not complicated, but simple variables. But we won't do that. Save it till part 2. If you want me to do a part 2, just tell me in the comments if you want a part 2. Yeah. So that's it there. Now you've created this, though they hide, and we need to just create a win there. Yeah. So when you win. So we're going to just make a variable of enemies. So this is enemies on screen, so it's full sprites. So set enemies on screen to 3 because it's 3. Do it again. Set enemies to 3 because there's 3 enemies. And because there's 3 enemies, we are going to, when you touch a bullet, we're going to change enemies by -1. And enemies, so literally one can track it forever, if equals enemies 0, then we are going to broadcast victory. Victory. So that's victory. When we receive victory, we are going to just put nice victory. Literally just victory. Victory. Horrible victories. Victories, yeah. That's pretty bad. Yeah. I don't know why I just said that. I don't know why. Okay. So that's victory done. Literally. Nearly. Just need 2 bit. literally nearly the same code. Just hide, receive, victory, show. Yeah, and also we need to hide these variables. Hide both of these variables. Oh yes. We need to put, when I receive victory, to put both of these, victory, then we need to set health. So yeah, just, I don't know, so not set health. We're going to hide variable, silly me, health and enemies. Both of these. So that's the game. Shoot them. Yeah, I won! We try? I'm dead. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope this helped you with creating games. Goodbye. This is the end.